Alright guys, we're gonna do this. Okay,
Why am I not really talking?
I wonder what that sounded like. Someone please tell me what it sounded like. Let's do the other the other one. The other one.
Maybe put it in reverse.
Yeah, put it in reverse if you wanna. We're gonna do this actually. We're gonna do it baked. The second ones. Okay. Damn. Okay, this is too hard. I can't do that. Alright, let's go to the other one. Where's the other one at? I can't remember. It's like over here, alright? Oh my god. Where is it? Where's the piano at?
It's over here.
Where?
Come.
Where are you?
Go out of the hole.
Oh, I see it.
Just come.
It was right here. Okay, let's do it. So, okay.
These are the same color.
Okay, that actually sounds like something. Let's try to do it faster. Did someone tell me what that sounds like? Because I did 2 of these. Yeah, no, let's do the thick one now. Actually, though. Okay. Just, I can't really remember. I don't have good memory. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Stop. I can only see because you're in the way. So let me redo that. You're in the way, bruh. Alright, I'm redoing it. Alright, so I did like different of these. Let's do the really thick ones now. I don't even know why I did that. This one's sus.
Wait, I haven't.
Alright, we're doing that. It took forever.
Link? I don't know. Party Shadow.
I just lost track there. Let's try with these, even though I can't really remember them. So it's I kind of remember it. Okay, so there's no cyan and no purple in there. No idea, there's no purple. Actually, no, it's pink. Alright, let's do this. So. Okay, wait, stop. Wait, stop. I'm gonna do this. Stop. Please, stop. Okay, let's. orange. Red, pink, oh, okay. No, after orange is red, pink, red. Oh my god, this is hard. Red, pink, red. Just tell me them. Tell me them.
Okay.
So, okay. So, blue, pink. Alright, tell me them.
Red, blue, pink, red, blue, yellow, green.
Alright, hold on, restart.
Red, blue, and yellow.
Oh wait, what's after the red, pink? What's after red, pink, red, and blue, and then yellow? Alright, tell me this time. Tell me. Tell me.
Blue, pink, red, blue, yellow, green.
Ah, God. Hold on.
Blue, yellow.
Okay, I'm trying to do this. Frick, so wait, it's blue, pink, then it's, what? What's after the red? Blue. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Alright, tell me what that sounds like. I finally did it! Jeez! Oh my god! Put in, like, all speeds or reverse. Put it in reverse, because... Yeah. I don't know. Because I don't know. It doesn't sound like anything. To be honest, this could be a theory.
You should watch my...
I think it is already a theory. Anyways, bye.
It's normal.